Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As introduction, we are Team UX Matters, which consists of me, Reynard, Juan, and Vikram. In this moment, we are going to present about our proposal of Kotakode freelancing platform. So as the introduction, we want to talk about real life situation of current freelance trend in Indonesia. In this section of theoretical framework, we also include several evidence which can be seen in these diagrams. Okay, so this is our Kotakode freelance platform, and the next presentation will be continued by other team member Juan.
Now we are going to talk about the deliverables which undergoes these three processes. In defined process, we generate a persona to represent a future possible user. In analytical report, we have elaborated and ranked our ideas based on the level of priority. The main features are bidding system, forum and community, profile, list of jobs, etc. While the second priority features include third-party payment system, ratings, skills, experiences, and especially mini CV. We also add a new feature which is called My Team, where user can invite other freelancers to do a project which is likely best done in team. The next presentation will be given by my friend Vikram.
Alright, in the next slide, we are going to see a quick highlight of several important frames of our user interface. Start from left picture, it is the main menu, and then the next image is discussion, then the next is job details, and the last image in the far right is user profile. Start from left picture, it is the event. The next image is a page which describes mini CV. The next is third party payment feature, and the last image is my team. As a conclusion, we designed this new Kotakode freelancing platform to be user-friendly. Moreover, we hope this platform helpful for any freelancer who are specializing in technology to find suitable jobs during this pandemic. Thank you for your attention and see you.